Is your T-Mobile internet box stuck on the powering up screen? This usually indicates a firmware update loop, where the device fails to complete its boot sequence. This is often caused by corrupted firmware files from interrupted updates or software glitches. While T-Mobile is working on a permanent fix, know that you're not alone. Approximately 5 to 10% of users experience this issue. Understanding that this is usually a software issue will help you determine how to address it. Start with a basic power cycle. Unplug the device for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary issues. If the power cycle doesn't work, try a factory reset. Hold the reset button for 15 seconds. Note that you'll need to set up the device again afterward. For advanced users, connect the device to a computer via Ethernet cable to access a hidden recovery mode. This requires technical knowledge and proper wiring. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact T-Mobile customer support. They can provide a replacement unit or apply an over-the-air fix. To prevent future issues, avoid updating during peak hours, disable automatic updates, and check T-Mobile forums for known problems before updating. T-Mobile is working on a permanent fix for this firmware update issue.